Welcome to the Infrastructure as a Service provisioning video in our FlexDeploy Cloud series. This video will show you how quick and easy it is to deploy Infrastructure as a Service instances with FlexDeploy's new Infrastructure as a Service plugin. The Infrastructure as a Service plugin makes infrastructure provisioning and management into a more manageable and repeatable cycle, driving business innovation and agility, improving utilization and lowering cost of environment resources, and increasing productivity. In this video, we will quickly provision two Infrastructure as a Service orchestrations into the cloud. First, let's open the Workflows page and look at the workflows we created for building and provisioning Infrastructure as a Service instances. Let's start by looking at the build workflow. This workflow checks out the necessary files from the source control management system and then copies two JSON files. One that contains the hard drives for the server and another containing the CPUs. These files being separate is vital for operating properly with Oracle Cloud. Next, we will look at the provision workflow. Here we will see that the workflow will create an IP reservation for the compute instance, then upload and create the storage and compute instances. Finally, it will start the storage and compute instances. The storage instance must always be started first because the compute instance depends on it. On the main tab, we see that this workflow is set up such that the orchestration name is passed in from the individual project. This allows the workflow to create different instances from each project that it is run from. Let's go ahead and build both of our projects. Building these projects takes the two JSON orchestration plans from the source control and makes them into artifacts that can be used to provision the instances. Now that they are built, we can deploy the new instances to the cloud. As they deploy, FlexDeploy will change the values of each instance with the values we set in the workflow and project variables. Now that the deployment is complete, let's take a look at the Infrastructure as a Service Cloud console. If we click on the Orchestrations tab, the available services are listed. You can see that there are 6 instances here, 4 of which we just created in this video. They all say ready, which means that they are running and available to use. Check out our complete set of videos in this FlexDeploy Cloud series.